Hello dental implant fans, Alena here from Dental Art San Diego in continuation of our discussion of All-on-4 dental implant option. How many teeth are getting replaced with All-on-4 dental implant options? That particular treatment option was designed for people to remove all of their teeth in the arch. It can be both arches at the same time. At the same time, implant 4 implants and load them with a full arch. First is acrylic, then it's temporary, and then it's a permanent zirconia arch, very beautiful. But the option is designed to remove all of the teeth and replace all of the teeth with the help of the screwed-in restoration inside of the 4 implants placed in the jawbone. Thank you so much for being with us today. That was Alena from Dental Art San Diego. Please join us on the next one.